My name is Teresa Faris, and I'm a metalsmith and assistant professor at UW-Whitewater. As a metalsmith, I work with non-ferrous metals, so metals that do not contain steel, so silver, copper, brass, gold, platinum. And I generally make jewelry, objects that reference utility, and small sculpture. Some of the tools we're using are historic, like the anvils, and then we use specialized hammers. There's probably 100 different styles of hammers in the shop. I think part of being a metalsmith is having sort of this work ethic and moral foundation where historically we've been the people who make the pots and pans for the community.
Metalworking seems to be becoming like a lost art. It's something that used to be necessary in kind of our society in order to get things we need and useful items. But with new technologies and other influences, it's kind of dying and being done in other places where it's cheaper and easier to find materials. It's worth having somebody do it rather than having a machine make it and process it. The fact that you know that every single one of those little details, every hit of a hammer is a physical arm doing it and somebody customizing everything along the way rather than everything mass-produced and exactly the same.
Teaching has been the most rewarding part of being a metalsmith. It's that moment when they understand what they're doing and you can see it. Their whole body sort of shakes and they get this look on their face like they suddenly get what it means to make art. I can actively participate in a way, you know, teaching them the techniques and those sorts of things, but I'm not going to tell them what their research needs to be about or what their concepts are. And so when they finally figure that out, that is the moment where I feel like I've done my job.